Jinli, let's. My first question is for Jinli. International Women's Day is about women leading change. How are migrant domestic workers not just surviving but actively fighting for a better system?
As a migrant domestic worker, I know firsthand how strong and resilient we are. Na despite the challenges we face, we come together, support each other, and fight for our right. We share our stories. We push back against unfair laws, and we create safe spaces where we can be ourselves. I think in big or small ways, we show courage and strength. And I know we're not just surviving, but we're shaping a better world with our charity, with our dignity and determination. So I think our resistance is a powerful reminder that real change often starts with us. That's all,
Yeah,
Ate Mimi.
yeah, that's nice one, Jinli. But also, in addition for that, we really fight back. That we don't really accept unfair treatment, do we?
Yeah.
And we are supporting each other, learn from each other, learn our rights, and speak up really for change. Just that's why we have future voices.
Mhm.
Yeah, and then we do join protests. Just like tomorrow, Gracie will join the um, women on strike with the Nanny Solidarity Network, Gracie, with the other participant also of Future Voices, Christina. So we also push for new laws and we challenge really the bad employers
Mm.
because as we always say, we are collective voice and we are strong and brave. Yeah, and we also use our experiences to demand justice. So I have a follow-up question, Jinli. What will be my follow-up question for you or to every one of you? How has the voice of domestic workers become leaders in this fight?
I think domestic workers has been a leader when in terms of this through speaking up. It has helped us not only um, demand for our fair treatment and better working condition, but also we step up into leadership roles within our communities. I think many of us have become organizers, advocates, educators, leading for campaigns, negotiating for policy changes, and standing up for justice. So I think our voices have transformed us from being seen as victims to being recognized as leaders. So I think we're showing the world that we are not just as workers, but powerful agents of change.
A new member, we educate them and empower them to stand in the crowd and to speak out. Yeah, so that's why
Yeah,
we have
yes.
a future voice, but it doesn't
Yeah.
mean the other member can speak out. We still ours can because they are educated. We empower them, we teach them. Yeah, so
Yes. By
So yeah,
using,
yeah,
in addition, by using our voices, we have been a powerful in turning our struggle into strength, I think.
correct, correct. You're right.
so
That's the
yeah,
power of women.
and that voice of
Yes.
domestic of workers really empower the migrant domestic workers with their rights and educate them. The first one is really we really educate migrant domestic workers and empower them. Because if they will not be educated, how can domestic
Mm,
workers fight back?
mm.
Yeah, without
Yes.
knowing their rights. So that's the first step. We have to educate them first.